If you already have one of the Keep Going first aid kits, then this refill pack is such a handy thing to have. The brand sent this over for me to check out, and I love that it makes it really easy to restock your kit once you start running low on supplies. This refill pack comes with 86 items of first aid essentials that are designed to fit right inside the Keep Going first aid cases. So instead of having to buy a whole new kit, you can simply refresh the one that you already have, which is really convenient. One thing I really like about this pack is that it's kid-friendly. The bandages are colorful, and they even include fun little stickers, which can actually help distract kids and make those little bumps and scrapes feel a bit better. They also offer a standard refill pack if you prefer more traditional items. Everything is also clearly labeled, which makes it easy to quickly find what you need when you're dealing with a small accident. And the supplies are latex-free, which is always nice for peace of mind. This is just a really simple way to keep your kids' first aid kit stocked and ready to go, whether you keep it at home, in the car, or you bring it along for travel and outdoor adventures.